how to make your first 10,000 US dollars. Guide for young hustlers. Okay, how to make your first 10,000 US dollars. Guide for young hustlers. Hey future millionaires, ready to make your first 10,000 US dollar and kickstart your financial journey? Whether you are still in school or just starting out, I have got the ultimate roadmap to help you stack that cash fast. Let's turn your hustle into serious money. Let's go. Hey there, future mogul, ready to crush your financial goals and make your first 10,000 US dollars? Whether you are in high school, college, or just starting your career, I have got the ultimate guide to help you stack cash and achieve financial freedom. Let's dive in. First thing first, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on one source of income. Think freelancing, part-time gigs, and even starting a small online business. The more streams, the better. Freelancing is a gold mine, especially if you have got skills like graphic design, writing, coding, or social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are your playground. Set up a killer profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Don't underestimate the power of part-time jobs. Whether it's babysitting, tutoring, or working at your local cafe, these gigs not only bring in cash, but teach you valuable skills and discipline. Ever thought about starting your own online business? Drop shipping, print on demand, or even selling handmade crafts on Etsy can be incredibly lucrative. Do your research, find your niche, and start small. Making money is half the battle, keeping it is the other. Open a savings account, set a budget, and stick to it. Consider investing in stocks or mutual funds with platforms like Robinhood or Accounts. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Listen, trust me on this one. This young entrepreneur is a testament to my narration. Just listen to what he has to say. He noted that I started freelancing as a graphic designer, and within a year, I hit my first 10,000 US dollar goal. It's all about consistency and delivering quality work. This other entrepreneur also is a testament and justified what I just said. He noted that I combined part-time work with an online Etsy store. The hustle was real, but seeing that bank balance grow was totally worth it. You have got the tools, the tips, and the inspiration. Now it's time to hustle and make your financial dreams a reality. Set clear goals, stay focused, and never stop learning. Your first 10,000 US dollar is just the beginning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for financial success. Drop a comment below and let us know your money making plan. Go get that bread. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, family members, of course, this human face, humanity first, uplifting all souls across the board. You already know here is all about positivity, narcissistic abuse, mental health, character assassination. We are expanding our tentacles to all subject positive. Now we are in finance. Okay, so go and get that your first 10,000 US dollars. It's possible, you can do it. I trust you. You've got this. Thank you so much. If it's your first time of being here, you are most welcome. This is a very big family. Ensure that you put on all notifications so that each time we drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If you are a returning viewer, you are most welcome. Of course, you are the queen, you are the king, you are all legends. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.